Endoscope systems are key to performing less invasive procedures and improving patient outcomes through the examination of internal body organs and tissues. To keep these systems operating safely and effectively, they must be well understood, properly managed, and maintained. Join the Oxygen Alliance for a technical webinar on the management of endoscope technology led by Engineer Jim, an experienced biomedical engineer from Uganda. The session is scheduled for Thursday, the 17th of July 2025 at 4 p.m. Central African Time. It will uncover the fundamentals of endoscope systems, their components and how they function, troubleshooting techniques, practical maintenance, procurement procedures, and their best practices for proper handling. Don't miss this opportunity.